So lesson one today is car setup. We need to set the car up to the size of the driver, and here's how we do it. The first thing we need to do is set the actual seat, the bottom of the seat, with the correct length for the feet to reach the pedals. This is how we do it. Step one, you put your heel directly in front of the pedal, and then put your foot onto the pedal using the ball of your foot, ensuring it's not your toes that are touching the pedal, but the ball of your foot. Once you can do that, you can actually pivot between the two pedals, left and right, left and right. If you're too close, you're going to find that you're going to need to move the seat back, all right? And if you're too far back, so you're tippy-toeing, then obviously you need to move it forward so you can actually reach that point right there. That's step one, the bottom part of the seat. Step two is the top part of the seat, the actual steering part. So what we need to do now is we actually take our right arm and we place our wrist on top of the steering wheel. And as you can see, I am reaching immensely far with the seat in this current position. You move the seat up so you can actually get your wrist comfortably laying on top of the steering wheel. And then step three, lastly, ensure that you can actually see over the steering wheel. You'll find that seats adjust in different various ways. I'd already preset this one so I could see over the steering wheel. So recap, bottom part first, heel in front of pedal, pivot the foot left and right, never lifting the foot, ensuring that you can find each pedal each time without having to look, very important. And then obviously the arm position in length, wrist on top of the steering wheel, relaxed, back is still fully supported by the seat, and then lastly, seat height so you can see over. The last step that you want to make sure that you've got is your actual seatbelt position. You can actually adjust the height on the side here to make it more comfortable. You clearly want it relaxing comfortably and snugly across the chest. You don't want it coming up across your face or coming down across your arm, restricting the movement. There you go. Good luck. Let's set this car up to you.